recording. I'm recording, Ryan.
This is Heavenly Sword. I'm in a battle right now. This is Bit.
ps3 only. Game interview.
Namical.
I am what hangs in the cold dark waters of your mind.
And you can see why you should fear me, sister.
Not really sisters, just that's what girls say.
Yeah.
I completed it.
Level completed.
Now this part is hard.
Tell the buttons and everything.
That would mean Namical's father.
Okay.
It's Namical's father. And Namical's sister's about to come up. Square and triangle to attack. Circle to do moves. X is to pick up items. That's your sister. No, not him. Right there, she's got bow and arrow gun. It's pretty awesome. Zoom in. If you hold X. Oh well, you gotta
Wiggle and roll.
hold R1 first. Shoot. Yeah, you just wiggle the button. Arrows are a little bit hard to control, but not really.
The attack buttons are triangle and square, and when you get the Heavenly Sword, you hold down R1, square, or triangle to use it. Or you can hold down square or triangle to, and L1 to do range attacks. Well, that's the interview, folks. It's gotta be short because there's something wrong with the camera. Peace out, subscribe.